handsome and beautiful people. Always appreciate yourself and love yourself at all times. Happy New Year to you all. Guys, just remember that each and every single day, each and every morning, it's a new day. When you wake up every morning, it's a new day, new beginning, and a new life. This is the year of advancing and becoming better. And also, this is the year of election, to choose a leader who's going to guide us, a leader who's going to lead us, and also a leader who's going to keep us as one nation and one country, to have peace, love, and unity. A concept of social friendship and harmony is the absence of hostility and violence. I'm praying that we have peace, love, and unity, that wherever we go, whatever we do as a country, to have peace, love, and unity. I encourage to our leaders who are leading us today to love one another as brothers and sisters. That is Uhuru Kenyatta and William Ruto and Raila Odinga, to be together as one. They should stop violence, they should stop quarrels, they should stop fights. I also pray to the all politicians, they should stop also violence, quarrels, fight, but always to have peace, love, and unity. Peace is the only way that can keep us together. Peace is the only way that we can work as one nation, one country, and also one family, and to be together at all times. So I am urging all the leaders who are out there fighting each other, quarreling each other, misusing the youths badly, to stop this habit and to speak peace in the whole nation. So I'm praying to all Kenyans to vote wisely, to choose wisely. And it's all about unity, love, and peace, so that wherever you go, whatever you do, let there be peace, but there shall be no fight. So I pray with all my heart that this year there shall be no fight, there shall be no bloodshed, but let there be peace, let there be love, let there be unity. Join with me, guys, all of you friends, even for those who have subscribed to my YouTube channel, and for those who are watching this video right now, to speak peace at all times, wherever we go, whatever we do, to be in one nation, one country. I'm urging to all the leaders who are there, William Ruto, Raila Odinga, Kalonzo Musyoka, Uhuru Kenyatta, please don't fight. Don't fight. Be a good example to all Kenyans. Don't be a bad example to all Kenyans. Lead Kenyans in the right way. Don't lead Kenyans in the wrong way. To all Kenyans, let us help each other and care for each other and love one another at all times. We are one Kenya, one country, and one nation. We are one family. To the leaders, be a good example to all Kenyans, but don't be a bad example to all Kenyans. Love one another, but don't hate one another. So I'm requesting Uhuru Kenyatta, William Ruto to love one another, to be together, to work each other, to work together. The president is working the other way, the vice president is working the other way. That's not leadership. Leadership is working together as brothers, as family, and be a good example to the whole nation. Don't show bad leadership in this country, but show good leadership in this country. Don't show hatred, but show love and unity in this country. Don't talk like you know much than the other. No, God knows more than you. God knows more than us. So let's love one another and be together. So thank you very much. And also to all Kenyans, join me as we speak about peace, love, and unity to this nation, to this country at all times. Thank you very much, and may God be with you. May you subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell for more videos, so that you cannot miss any of my videos. Let us speak peace, love and unity this year. And also when you vote, vote wisely. Thank you, and may God bless you.